Okay. Hello everyone, this is my mom. Hi. And this is Dad. Dad, say hi. Dad.
Hi.
Give a grown up.
Give a grown up.
This is my mommy. It is 11:30 basically. And I should be going to bed. Basically, I'm using this video as an excuse not to go to bed. So, what do you want to talk about? Let's talk about
going to bed.
No. Let's just get our minds off of that. Let's talk about if we're gonna do ear candling. Are we gonna do ear candling tonight?
No.
Oh, you should watch that video. It's kind of funny. Her ears is like kind of on fire. It's the funniest thing though. It scared her. I'm going, and I'm leaving you. It's fine with her. She doesn't care. Alright. I'm going to my room. Woohoo! Okay. Okay, don't get burned. Ooh, that came out the right way. Oh, good. Okay, sorry. Teach you how to curl your hair with a no. Maybe I should do that in the video. Yeah, I think we'll. Maybe this thing. Oh, definitely. Anyway, this is not a bathroom. Toothpaste. Massager. Phone care, toothbrush. Yeah, so watch my next video, how to curl your hair with a Q-tip and some hair gel. And we'll see y'all later.